All right, so tonight on Garage Time, we are getting ready for paint. Now, I know I'm constantly telling you we're getting ready for paint, but we truly are. I've talked to the painter. In about 2 weeks, this bus is going into the body shop. They're gonna do all the final body work. I am by no means a body man, so someone has to go over the whole thing, do a really nice job, and then paint it. In talking with him, he wants all the doors and, well, front doors, cargo doors, back doors. He wants everything removed. So I'm going through the process of loosening these doors. Now, if you've ever dealt with an old Volkswagen, getting the doors off is a pain. So one of the tools you need, and I've done different things. I've tried heat, I've ended up drilling out and tapping, but get yourself a good impact screwdriver. Now I know there's, well, you get what you pay for, right? So I've had cheaper ones before. I didn't think they worked well. This one I purchased the other day. I've started on the other door. It worked fantastic. So it's definitely heavier than my other one. I went for a Jet brand, paid around 50 bucks for it. So expensive for what it is, but if you wanna whack it with a 5-pound sledge, you need to buy a decent one. So anyhow, enough talking. I'm gonna show you how it works. Removing these screws, which probably have not been touched since 1964 in some German factory. But how it works, and make sure I have it on loosen. And actually, I got a Sharpie sitting here. Maybe I'll just show you with, I'll put a little mark. So you'll see as I whack it with the hammer, it only turns it a bit, but your force, instead of just stripping the threads, your force of hitting is used into torque and turning. So we're ready. Okay. Oops, it went. That one was tightening it. Okay, there, it's starting to go. Keeps turning. There we go. So now, so there you go. Your rusted pain in the butt screw has been removed. That was obviously just one. Now the unfortunate part of the one I purchased is these inside screws. My metal's in the way, so back to the store we go. Gonna find an extension or a longer bit, but yeah, we'll repeat and remove all of them. There you go, there goes the second one there. So pretty amazing. We won't be going back with Phillips. Be getting a nice stainless hex head or something else. But that was it for tonight. We're gonna get these doors removed once we get a longer bit to do the other ones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you out there.